I'm so happy to see you!
Bobo is going for a walk in the rainy meadow, and he finds something wonderful.
Can you see the puddle? Yay! Oopsie!
Oh my, that is quite messy.
What do you think will happen? I have an idea!
Let's try again.
Yay!
Every rain brings something beautiful.